So hey guys, it's Chachimane and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, please do hit the subscribe button down below dahil malapit na tayong mga 300 subscribers. This is, I think, the first time that I will be talking about like school and related stuff. Ito, nandito yung notebook ko. So if I'm looking like down there kasi binabasa ko yung notebook ko. I will be doing a get ready with me video plus a tips and tricks on sa SHS, you know, vibes. So yeah, without further ado, let's hop into the video. So, first na gagamitin ko is this Green Tangerine Moisturizer. Actually, kaya ako naka-uniform, just in case you're wondering, kasi I'm on the way to school. So, first tip for SHS, syempre, saan mo tayo magsisimula? Decide your school. Yung school na pipiliin nyo is not because your friends are there, trip nyo lang. As much as possible, go to your dream school. Well, for me, my dream school is actually LaSalle, Maine. But, yung dream school na yon, wala siya nung course or major na gusto ko. I will be using my concealer duo veil. This is from the Face Shop. So yeah, by the way, I'm from the Humes Department or Humanities and Social Sciences. Humanities, more on ano kami, mga play, mga critics ng mga literary works. Ayan, puro siya mga sulat-sulat, mga essay, ganyan. Basically, kami mga first batch, kami yung mga rats or mga mga guinea pigs, yan. Kami yung mga guinea pigs of we're the experimental batch of senior high school. Parang ang daming revisions ng DepEd according to senior high school. So, ang nangyayari sa akin, parang tambak na mga gagawin. In my opinion, parang hindi pa siya masyadong handa for the first batch. Pero I hope na yung mga next batch namin will be more prepared than we are right now. Masaya siya, kung masaya, especially when you are with the right friends. I'm going to use my Nichido Extra Waterproof Protectant for my brows. Mag-ipon ka na ng tulog mo dahil tambak ang mga gagawin mo. Do not ever compare strands kasi pare-pareho lang sila na challenging and purga ng brain cells. Lahat ng strands sa amin may thesis. And actually, ng grade 11 kami medyo chill pa. Pero ngayong grade 12, dito parang binaksak yung halos lahat ng subject may thesis kayo. Expect nyo na maraming thesis guys. Kasi senior high school is preparing you for college daw. Step number 2 for you is to not procrastinate in everything. Mabatambakan kayo ng gagawin. Tapos, yung gawa nyo, magiging na siya, hindi na siya yung A quality, nandun na siya sa Z quality. So, next tip for you is to not be pressured. Chill lang kayo sa mga gagawin nyo. Actually, darating yung panahon na may stress kayo, pero huwag nyo masyadong dip-dipin yung mga gawain kasi may likod kayo. Joke lang. May Nichido Final Powder. My next tip for you is choose your strand with your own interest. Baka kasi mangyari sa college, halimbawa, nag-take ka ng med. Hindi mo talaga siya gusto. Ang mangyayari sa'yo, kung hindi mo talaga gusto isang bagay, di ba parang wala kang ganang gawin siya. Isipin mo mabuti kung ano yung kaya mong gawin, buong buhay mo, na kahit hindi ka sumisweldo, yun yung gagawin mo. I'm going to use my nudes palette from Maybelline. I think I'm going to use this shade. Ito. Ayun, maraming nagsasabi na ito munang mag-love life kasi distraction lang yan sa future mo. Hindi ka makakapag-aral ng maigi, ganyan. Guys, learn to manage your time. Nasasabi nilang distraction. It will always be up to you and your partner kung meron ka mang love life. Pero guys, darating yan at the right time. So, maghintay ka lang dyan. Kalmahan mo lang. And learn to love yourself first before you love others. Kasi, kapag hindi mo mahal yung sarili mo, paano ka magmamahal ng iba?
Love yourself, love myself, peace.
Tendency pag minamahal natin masyado yung tao, we tend to give them everything kahit na hindi na nila deserve yung mga nakukuha nila. or binibigay natin. So, ayun lang naman yung mapapayo ko. And guys, mag-enjoy lang kayo sa senior high kasi sobrang saya niya talaga. Go change my career and my last translational from MEEEEE. Oo nga pala, magseryoso kayo sa senior high school. Based sa experience namin, or ko, yung grades namin, zero base siya. Kung for example, wala kang pinasa ng ganito, zero na agad yung grade mo doon. Walang consideration or ano. Siguro pwede mo pakiusapan yung prof. Pero ano siya, zero base siya. As in, pag wala ka talaga pinasa, hindi mo hinabol yung grade. Kailangan mo talaga siyang kapulin, guys. Hindi sila yung lalapit para sa'yo. Ikaw yung lalapit para sa kanila. It's like a college style. Pero nasa high school setup pa rin. Junior high nyo pa lang, ang dami nyo nang binabayaran sa mga kung ano-ano. Oo nga pala, wala kaming books. So, pero may mga kilala ko, yung sa dating school, may mga libro sila. Pero kami, wala kaming libro for senior high school. Expect rin kayo na marami kayong gagastusin kasi ang dami naming ginastos. Sa magpapaprint pa lang ng mga thesis paper na draft. Draft yun, ha? Ang dami na talaga. May ibang prof na gusto nila nakaprint pa sa magandang papel. Tapos, syempre, ipaparevise pa rin nila yun. Ang gagawin nila, gaganunan nila ng kung anong paper, ay ng kung anong... Ayaw nila yung nasa laptop lang. Gusto nila yung nasa papel talaga. Huwag nyo kakalimutan na mag-enjoy. So, guys, that is the finished look. And thank you for subscribing to my channel. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please do give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more of me, and hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post a new video, and I'll see you guys later, and may your day be as flawless as your makeup. Guys, enjoyin nyo lang talaga yung high school life nyo. Enjoyin nyo lang yung life nyo in general kasi there are more to come. Bye!